introduce one of our popular items, 31138 reset mount long linear light. It is a multiple function. You can with a different type of sensor, like this handwave sensor, touch switch, and this direct wire, and this PIR sensor. So make your lights have more function. And normally, this type is used for European style cabinet, under cabinet, and also closet, the side panel of the closet or the self or the under shelf. And it is reset mount. It needs a bracket clip like this, and you need to open a group and put inside like this. Put inside, so it's like this. So you can put inside the wood panel. This design is solder-free design. It makes when we sell to you is 3 meters, around 10 feet. You can cut any length you need it. Direct cut it, complete cut it, without remove the aluminum lens and tape lights. Complete cut it and get the lens you need it. You can connect like this end-to-end connector to connect the other one. Like this, so 2 pieces become 1 piece, or you can use arrow-shaped connector. That's 90 degrees corner cabinet. Like this, I show you. And then the power supply. So this is a handwave switch. Handwave 1 time, then on, and 1 more is off, and it is a dimmer. Just hold it, dim. It become brighter. So this item normally used for under cabinet, closet, shelf. It is a popular items.